31, 32, 33, and 34 would just be wrapped. Now, since we can look at these up in the sand, let me explain this process a little bit. All the pilings that we're going to wrap, we're going to try and wrap up to the cap, which is the board going horizontally that supports the stringers. We are going to have to take the cross bracing off, and we're also going to have to dig down in the sand about 1.5 to 2 feet. So when you see the lengths of wrap, it is going to be from the top of that to 2 feet under the soil. We do 2 feet in case sand gets shifted around, because once it's under the sand, it's going to be okay. Also, the hardware that we're looking at is pretty thick. That is not your standard 5/8. That's like 1 inch hardware. So we are going to get 1 inch stainless, and that's going to be a lot of big, foot long or 1.25 long bolts. You can see that particular set of cross bracing has 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 stainless steel bolts, probably 1.5 feet. That set. And there's that set, that set, that set, that set.